Hello everyone. A suspect has been arrested in connection with the murders of two members of the Umkhonto Party a day before South Africans started casting special votes for the general elections. Gauteng police confirmed that the two were killed on Sunday night in Katlehong, Ekurhuleni. The police spokesperson, Brigadier Brenda, said that it is reported the two MK Party members were shot and killed during a dispute with members affiliated with the ANC at Twala section. One victim died at the scene, while the other was declared dead on arrival at hospital. One firearm and a knife were recovered at the scene. The motive for the incident will form part of the investigations. The suspects will appear in court soon. The shooting comes days after the arrest of Josie Butane, an ANC and a former EFF member, for an attempted murder charge after a shooting in Juju Village, Seshego, during political campaigning on May 19. Tensions had flared in Juju Valley when the EFF and ANC campaigned in the same area. There was a shooting in which a 25-year-old man sustained injuries and a 9-year-old girl was shot in the head. The National Joint Operation and Intelligence Structure has since moved to assure citizens it is in charge and in control as elections kick off. Lieutenant Debelo Mosikili said on Sunday, "We are confident we are ready for this next phase. Political campaigning will end at midnight on Tuesday, and anyone caught doing beyond the deadline will be contravention of the Electoral Act. May their souls rest in peace." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.